Hey, what's up? It's Steve. It's my '63 Chevy pickup truck that I'm building. This is the cab. Been working on it. Well, I've been working on the whole thing now for probably 2 years. Frame, motor, transmission, 350 Chevy, 350 turbo automatic. Went through everything. New radiator, power steering box, new tie rods, disc brakes. Everything on the motor's pretty much new. A few parts I put back on there that I've had a while. But other than that, oh, it runs. I fired up with that little switch right there, just to make sure it runs and everything. I got the old cherry bombs on it. Of course, I'll have all that redone later on. Still got to put tires and rims on it. And bad boys there from 1985 when I bought them. And tires. I'm going to freshen all that up. Like I said, everything's new. I lowered it 6 inches. 2.5 drop spindles on the front. And whatever it was on the back. Come with the coil springs. It was a kit from Classic Parts. Like I said, this is my cab. I've been working on it for a while. The rest of the truck's in parts in my garage or my attic. I got to do a little rust repair. Patch panel work. Here and there and everywhere. And I filled all the holes in the firewall. You can see I got some work here to do. Bottom of the doors. I'll order the panels for the doors to redo all that. Touched up all the holes where my mirrors were, welded them in, stuff like that. And like I said, the rest of the truck's in my garage or my attic. I ain't got enough room in my back garage. This is my front garage. I got to pull my other car in here. But yep, this has been going on for 2 years off and on. But I'll keep posting videos showing you some updates and things like that. This is what it used to look like. Of course, there was rust hidden out in all the fenders, doors, this, that, and it needed a rebuild. But anyway, take it easy.